Okay, let's go over the ATG Split Squat, also known as ass to grass, and that's because you're sitting so low, you might as well be sitting on the ground. This one requires you to have quite a bit of ankle mobility and really good stability also in your hips. That way you can protect your knee. A little bit more advanced, but something I actually highly recommend you build up to. It's really, really good also if you have stiff hips. What we're doing is essentially going into the normal split stance position, maybe a little bit more than usual, and what I'm going to do is kind of hinge into it. Now from here, my goal is to split squat so deep, my hamstrings are resting on top of my calves. Okay, so I'm in the start position, I go down, I'm going to go a little forward, and I'm going to see, I'm sitting basically on this. My knees are going to be quite over my lead foot, and this is why I say you're going to need really good ankle mobility and good hip stability to make sure you're safe. And I push on back to come on up, okay? So let's do a few more reps of these all the way down like so, and drive on back. All right. How much your knees go over your toes also depends on your anatomy. I have quite short thigh bone, which is also known as your femur. So my knees won't go as far as some other people who have very long femurs, right? So that will kind of depend, but you just want to make sure you're sitting very deep, very good stretch in your hips, just like so, okay? Quite advanced. Build your way up into it and give it a try and do it slowly. Don't go crazy with the weight. Don't do too many reps and kind of assess how you feel based off how sore you are the next day. Were you sore in the glutes and in the right spot, or was your knee hurting, you know? Kind of troubleshoot based off that, okay? Thank you all so much for joining me. We'll see you next time.